Good day, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So, I hope this would also be a short video because what we just want to do in this video is create a page object model structure on our Python and Playwright. So, let's begin. And we've been able to create the requirement.txt file. So in here, this is what we just need to do to create that. We right click on this. Why is it not responding? Okay, so we right click on it and we create a Python package. I can name this pages for the first one, and the second one I will create is another Python package that I will name tests, right? Let's just name it tests. Tests makes sense. So there you go, you already have something in it. Now we can create a file here. The way page object model works is that you have some files that helps you do the main function of your test, while in your test file you just run the test by calling all these functions that are sitting in your page objects, right? You create like a page object of every feature that you are trying to test. Let's say login feature now. You create a page object of it, test everything that you need to test around it, then you move on. So let's call this one page objects, right? It's a Python file, and inside this I will just call this one tests. Now because it is I'm using PyTest, it is important I either start the name of the file with a test or end the name of the file with a test. So I will call this one test mail test mail check, something like that. I really suck at giving names. So now that I have this, in the previous video I said I was going to add one command that we did not add before, and this is the command. We didn't do this. Playwright install. This would essentially help us install all the browsers that we need, right? So that we will be able to run our code efficiently. So now that we've created the structure that we need, we can easily just put values here. We will get values from here, from this content here. So I'm going to pick all these elements, the sign up. I will get the sign up element. Let me copy that. Let me get that already. So I'll get the sign up element, and I will get the first name. Okay, and I will get the last name as well. I've copied that as well, and the email field, which is here, I'll copy that as well, not forgetting the sign up button, which is just a button. So I'll get that, so I can put that in the page object file just as I can create a class of for it. I can create a dictionary to store it, or I can just create a normal variable storage for it. So I can have sign up link. I'm going to express everything in CSS mode. So sign up link will be this, right? Sign up link will be what we've copied before. Yes, this. And I can have the first name field, sorry about the spelling, first name field, last name field, and email field, and also the submit button like we've done previously before. So I begin to add values into it. So for this, I'm going to have it's an ID. So we put that there, and this is also an ID. An ID is represented by hash. I have done this in previous videos about locating elements on my channel, so you could look up that video if you need more information on how element locators are created. So I'll add the pound sign to it. Sorry, not the literal pound sign, this pound sign. So, and for the button, it's just the tag name that will be represented, and I can also add the attributes. It's a type submit. It's a type submit, right? And that sums it up. So first name field was not formed properly. So now that we have all of this, we've already created this. So in the next video, we can begin to write all our scripts, and we would import what is inside the page object into the files, and also begin to import all the things that we need, like the Melosor client, the Playwright library itself, and also the beautiful soup that would help us in web scraping. So if you've gotten here with me, you've really done yourself a lot of good. If you understand this as well, and if you found it helpful, please do not forget to give me a like and a thumbs up to encourage me to do more. So God willing, I see you in the next video where we'll begin to write the scripts properly. Bye bye.